Hey guys, it's Victor Quay AD. I got another present called Grab and Glow. It's a light for Beyblade. So when you turn it on, it lights up as a night light. You wanna see it? Yeah. Oh my god, that looks so epic, doesn't it? Doesn't that look epic? Literally, that looks so awesome. Look at this. Check that out. Isn't that epic? Oh my god, that's awesome. In the bottom, it's like a flashlight. And there's it's an interesting sheet. So yeah, that's the flashlight. Pretty cool, epic, huh? To every different color. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Look at that. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is the unboxing of Grab and Glow flashlight. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hey, why is he? Hey, is he supposed to light up? Okay, that looks a little creepy. Blue, green, blue, and he turned up. But still, whatever. I don't know what happened. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe for more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. The unboxing and review of Grab and Glow flashlight is over. Thanks for watching.